Hi everyone, Esthetician Vanessa. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe down below. Today's look is a cut crease look using the Cold Stone Fox palette. I'm using a new set of brushes using ColourPop's pink little brushes. I'm excited to put my hands on these and work some magic. We're starting off with a flat brush and using Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. This is going to make the eyeshadows last all day and become more vibrant. Let's get into it. We're setting that with some powder using a dense fluff brush. We're setting the concealer that way the eyeshadow doesn't pull too harsh onto the concealer. We're going in with our pencil brush and we're going to create that outline on our crease. With the same brush, we're going to go in with another taupe color and apply that into the crease as well. This is going to give us a nice transition. With this, I'm doing windshield wiper motions. With a flat smudge brush, we're going to dip into a gray matte shade, and using the end of the brush, we're going to create our cut crease. With this, take your time with it and follow your natural crease. With the same brush, go in with your matte black shade and define the crease even more. What I like about this cut crease look is that you can do any shades you want. You can even do gold and browns. You can do different colors. I just did gray and white. I always do those colors, so always mix it up and you can create this to make it your own. But I love cut crease looks. I think it's such a different look. With this white shimmery eyeshadow, I apply it on my finger to get the best of the shimmer and apply into the lid and into the inner corners of our eyes. I use the eyeshadow brush to apply the white in the inner corners. Next, you're going to apply your favorite liquid liner and mascara. And what I like about this look is that we're using big lashes. I'm using, I think it's called ioni lashes. They have nails and lashes at Dollar Tree. My favorite one is the XL Dramatic. This is what they look like. You can measure the lash strip to your eyes and trim whatever excess you don't need. This is the glue that I use. We're bronzing up the skin using Milani's bronzer in Pecan and Bare Minerals concealer in Well Rested. I love this stuff. Put it on my puffer and pat off the excess and apply. This stuff really does make you look well rested. A little goes a long way. Once you're done baking all the little powder, you're going to want to sweep away all the excess. For blush, we're using F30 and Wet n Wild little peachy blush. I applied it on my temples and underneath my eyes. I'm using a brow liner in the waterline. And gloss and done. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe down below. This is the finished look I absolutely love. Bye.